So guys, now we are going to Puerta del Sol and Playa de Mer.
Plaza Mayor.
Plaza Mayor, and to go there from here they say that we need to walk to Atocha, and from there we need to ask someone how to go to Puerta del Sol. So the taxi is 6 euros, but we recharge our card with 10 trips and we have 5 days, so we're gonna use 2 trips per day or 3 trips per day to reach there. So I think it's just here Atocha, and from there we'll go to Puerta del Sol. This is the railway station. If we want to go to Toledo, we need to go from here. You wanna go?
Now?
We can also go to Valencia, look.
If you want to go to Valencia, go.
No, I don't want to go now. I thought we can go to other city, but Valencia has beach and I don't want to see beach till I reach Cancun.
Madrid, Puerta de Atocha.
Yeah.
From here we need to ask how to reach Puerta del Sol.
So guys, we finally took one taxi and it says he will take 7 euros to take us from here to Puerta del Sol. Que no pedas. We don't know how to book free now, and so now we are going to Puerta del Sol.
Sit, mi amor, sit. Sit, enjoy the ride, please. Because now we are walking on it.
La compañía líder en alarmas que responde en segundos ante cualquier robo o emergencia. Securitas Direct.
So we
Expertos en
didn't work
seguridad.
all
Llámanos al
the
900 666 7.
Let's cross this. Fast, fast, fast. So guys, we are in the center of Madrid now and we're just shopping for the food because the kids are sleeping now. They walked a lot and we are going to Puerta del Sol after this. And so guys, we are at the McDonald's for the lunch. The kids slept, so we stopped here meanwhile and we had a lunch. Now the kids have wake up and Now the kids have wake up. There was one more receipt, right? I think it's gone.
Is there the
So the kids were sleeping and we stopped here meanwhile. So let me just show you what all we order and how much it costs. So guys, one burger is for €1.30 and we order one cerveza, Coca-Cola, French fries, everything comes out to be almost €8. And we also order something for the kids, it comes out to be €4. So everything all together becomes €12. So €12 means 1,000 rupees. So Mas or menos it was the same. And now we'll go to the Puerta del Sol for what we come here. The taxi charges from Parque Retiro till Puerta del Sol €8. €8 means approximately again 800 rupees. So that's what we are spending. People ask me how much you are spending, so I'm telling you. So guys, now we are going to Puerta del Sol and we are at the center. As you can see behind me is the beautiful architecture of Spain, everything beautiful. And we're gonna just walk there. It's like 100 meters and Jenny is with me right now. Say hola. So Jenny is with me. She is died in the baby thing, and we're gonna move slowly from here towards the center. And look at this guy. It looks completely different from what I have ever seen in my life. And guys, there are a couple of museums. That side there is one museum and I think there is another museum here. So guys, this is Puerta del Sol and it looks beautiful. Beautiful. Is the Centro Madrid, like center of Madrid. So guys, this is one of the main spots in Madrid and it's the center. From here Plaza de Mayor is walking distance and it has subway also, so you can come through subway. We took another route and go to Parque de Retiro, so we didn't come here directly through metro, but from there to here you need to take one taxi. And look at Jenny babies, those babies, say hola. So guys, this is 0 point basically of Madrid. From here the city started, so all the roads go in different direction. As you can see, there are many roads going in different directions and they go to different places. And from here the Madrid started is 0 point, called 0 point. and it looks fabulous. And let me find the mark where it says 0 point. So guys, this is like one meat shop and it says organic farming. It looks like this, the meat of cow basically. And Yoker Banyu, so I'm going inside the KFC to go to Banyu. So guys, we are inside one souvenir shop and we are buying souvenirs for Miami and Jenny. And look what all they have. So they have everything and it's barato here because it's a souvenir shop, so they have like for 2 euros, 3 euros, 4 euros, 5 euros.
Sangria, amigo.
Everything is for 2 euros, 3 euros, 5 euros. And we are checking out more things to buy. Let's take here some souvenirs. Look, 1 into 2 euros. ¿Qué significa 1 into 2?
What?
Okay.
So you get 7 and you put it in euros. Estoy diciendo.
Guys, one thing that is more expensive than anything is water.
Ah.
So this one bottle costs 200 euros. No, sorry, 200 euros. 2 euros. So the water is very expensive, so take care of water. Water is scarce. And one donut is for 1.5 euros and this is for 2 euros. So be careful with the water. If you want to save money, you can just carry, but I know you cannot just ignore water because you have to drink water anyhow. So water is very expensive. One of the things that is very expensive all over Spain is water. So save water. So guys, it's almost 4 o'clock in the evening and the sun is still look bright. It will be sunset at around 7 p.m. maybe and 8 p.m. maybe. And look, behind me is the downtown, basically the center of the Madrid. I really like. I will come here at night also. Let me show you around. So guys, this path is called Gran Via and behind me is the metro station of Gran Via. It says Gran Via there, and this street connects Gran Via to the Puerta del Sol, and you can look the amazing architecture here also. So guys, this street kind of looks like New York. I don't know, I have never been to New York, but in photos it looks like this only. Look.
E questo è...
Hey Shiva bebe, quítate, tu mano. Hello. Hello Shiva bebe. Noise. So guys, that's all for today. We just reached our house. The kids were very tired. We were also very tired because we walked a lot, like 5 kilometers today. And I'm in my room. It's all clean. They clean behind us. And thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep subscribing. And tomorrow we're gonna do something more interesting. Let's see what we do tomorrow. There is no itinerary, but we can go to downtown again, somewhere more places where we didn't go, or we can just stay here in the room, or we can go to Barcelona. Let's see what we decide to go do tomorrow. So thanks for watching.